That's $104,000 worth of GMC. This is actually more expensive. See, it's got these pieces on it. I've never seen one like this. Look how it dwarfs this F250. Now, this is not a trimmer, but it is an FX4, so it's a four-wheel drive, but look at it. Casey, I want to see the window sticker because I know you're lying. Okay, well, let's do this. All right, Casey, I want to see 104 grand because I just don't think that you're telling us the truth. All right. 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 four-wheel drive crew cab, sterling metallic, obsidian rush, 104,720. So we're actually going to round up to 105. All right, so we've got the Duramax 6.6 turbo diesel, $9,500. We've got the AT4X AEV edition for $9,400. That gives us new bumpers, front and rear, gloss black door handles, satin black aluminum wheels, 18s, bing bada boom bada bing. We got the gooseneck fifth wheel package for $545. Sterling metallic, another charge for paint, $104,720. Wow. Obsidian Rush. Got some red baseball stitching going on. Got some weird looking grooved, ribbed for his and her pleasure plastic. Bose stereo because it's a General Motors product, so why the hell wouldn't it? We got Bisons on the seat. AT4X. Oh, we got a suede headliner. Remember, you know what the funny part about it? Maybe I'm just hating because I can't afford it, but this is supposed to be a work truck. Remember back in the 80s and 90s? This is the baddest work truck I've ever seen. All right, let's go ahead and show them some of the rest right there. Somebody was happy with the armor all. Look at that. Oh my God. I got to make a little comment right here. Little detail comment. Yeah, look at all that Armor All on the dash. Armor All silicone, it sucks the moisture from the dash. So if you want your dash to crack over time, Armor All that son of a bitch to the hill. Otherwise, just take a wet washcloth, wring it out real good, rinse it with, put it in some hot water, rinse it out real good, and then wipe your stuff off. Wipe that plastic off. You don't need no Armor All. Tip from the hobbly. Got that favorite storage package right there. Look at them seats just glistening. I don't even want to sit down in there. I'll be slipping and sliding all day long. Got heated seats in the back, USB-Cs, USB-Ds. Got a little vents on the back of the console so they're nice and comfy in the back. We got mat pockets on the back of both seats. Already talked about that hole in the roof. That's okay, it's supposed to be there. Elevated off-road. Okay. Oh, it's got the cool tailgate. Ooh, I bet you'd cause a problem with some tailgates. See, this is what I'm talking about. This has the really cool tailgate, but I bet that right there would destroy a tailgate. What you do is, there's you open up your, oh, you got the shaft and everything. Got a big girthy shaft right there. Let's see what happens. Maybe I can save it. Nope, it'll hit. So, can't exactly show you the entire step right there, but at least we had a little lesson learned right there. If you got a trailer hitch in there, don't try to use the full step. It's a nice little workbench right here. Right over here and just stroke it. Now with the bed down, other than the big shaft right there, there are your gooseneck hookups right there. We got LED lights on the back and the back of the cab right there, and a power outlet. It doesn't have a soft closing tailgate for $105,000. Maybe that has something to do. See, look where I'm touching it after touching the seats. God, leave that Armor All shit alone. All right, we've got the one thing about the AEV step bumper, or the AEV, you lost that step that General Motors puts on there. So you do have a step right there. I don't know about this. I guess that's protectant, maybe somebody's belt buckle or something. I don't know. It's got everything you could possibly imagine. 7,000 miles. Off-road and normal, that's all we got as far as drive modes. Dang, somebody traded it in with a full tank of gas too. All right, so we've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. We got two-way memory seats right there, electronic parking brake. There's your four-wheel drive controls, your drive modes, you flip those. There's your headlight controls. We don't have any adjustable pedals or anything like that. We do have a manual telescoping scoping wheel. Not that it's a big deal that I can't do that myself, but I think for $105,000 we ought to have some power going on. There's your trailer brake assembly. We do have the biggest, baddest engine start button in the whole damn kit and caboodle. That's girthy and it's metal. Got a big, huge screen right there. We got the old double-decker storage. Dual zone climate control, heated and cooled seats on both sides, cup holder. That is not a wireless charging pad, but there is a USB and a USB-C right there. Down inside the console, it's a lot of truck and it's really awesome and it's really nice, but $105,000.